Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do a review on the Deerc 300E. It's 4-wheel drive brushless system. Some of the specs is, like I said, brushless motor. It's got metal differentials. It's 4-wheel drive, rechargeable battery, of course, 2.4 gigahertz. So let's get into it and check it out. Alright then, you're still here. Let's get into the box and see what we got. Anyway, this is what it looks like. And I believe it came with 2 batteries and 2 bodies. So let's get into it, like I said, and see what we got. Okay, so this is your standard remote control, 2.4 gigahertz. You got your speed switch and your steering trim, so you can trim them both up. You got your wheel, and you got your throttle, your reverse, and your brake, and that's about it. You know, it's just a basic controller. It takes 3 AAA batteries. I'm sorry, 3 AA batteries. Nothing fancy, just a remote control to get you by. And then here. And this is a 1/18 scale. This is a little buggy here. Get it out of the package here. And there we go. Just a cool little 1/18 scale. Not very big at all. And this does come with 2 bodies. So let's check out the second body. Woo! There we go. We got a yellow one and we got a red one. Pretty cool that you have your choice between yellow and red bodies if you want. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so it's got friction shocks. Okay, what else is in the box? Alright, you got a... Look, this stuff is falling out of the package because I already opened it up to charge the battery. But anyway, you got a little Allen wrench. You have a 4-way key. And you have your battery charger. Simple, quick and easy. This is a 2-cell battery. Okay, so here's your battery. It's nothing special. It's just a 2-cell, 7.4 volt. 1200 milliamp 2-cell battery with the Dean's type of connector. And of course we have our instructions, and that's pretty much it what's in the box. So let's take a closer look at what we got inside underneath the hood. Taking the shell off, we get underneath it and we have a 25 amp ESC receiver in 1. We have the little servo on this side over here, mini servo, and we have a brushless motor, and there's really no specs on it, so I can't tell you sizes or anything, but it's brushless. We have metal drive axles in the front and back. We have aluminum caps on the shocks. It's got these pretty damn cool looking deep disc black rims. They are plastic on some pretty fatties with some pretty nice rubber. It feels okay. Hopefully it grips pretty good and it lasts a little while. So yeah, that's pretty much the basics on that. We've seen the one with the red shell. Here's the one with the yellow shell. I think we are going to run the yellow shell. If you're new to my show, I do these types of reviews on expensive stuff, low stuff. I do custom builds and custom parts and stuff like that for some of my stuff. So if you're into that and you like this kind of stuff, subscribe and be sure to hit that thumbs button. It doesn't hit back. I'd surely appreciate it. Let's get this thing out for a drive. All right, guys, we're gonna test drive this cool little thing. 1/18 scale, DRC 300E. I likes doing donuts. Yeah, if I can, I'll leave a link in the description. But I think I gotta mess with the trim here. There we go. Yeah, it's a cool little car. It does okay. I mean, it's just a small brushless 1/18 scale. And it moves. It's a lot of fun. Man, this is a squirrely little thing. I don't think it'll jump good, but I suppose we can come over here to the jumps. Give it a little jump. It does okay. Just friction shocks, so. Woohoo! Yeah! Alright guys, so this is a 1/18 scale by DRC. It's the 300E, comes with 2 bodies, just 1 battery, not 2 batteries. And I think you can upgrade this thing too if you wanted to. At least the shocks, you can put oil shocks on here, I think. Woo! Got pretty good balance too on the jumps, it seems. Yeah, pretty cool. This battery lasts about 15 minutes. It's a long time for this little car. It seems to be handling it just fine. Little soft sand, don't it? Too much fun. Alright guys, you pretty much get the idea. Run for about 15 minutes, under $150, 1/18 scale. DRC 300E, comes with 2 bodies, 1 battery, everything you need ready to go. Thanks for watching. Got pretty dirty for sure. That motor's pretty warm too.